It was a happy day for Andre the sea turtle. After months of intensive medical care to reverse damage caused by the propellers of a wayward motorboat, he was heading home, albeit with a little trepidation. There wasn't much hope for Andre when he reached the Loggerhead Marine Life Center in Juno Beach, Florida. But thanks to the ingenuity of veterinarians, biotech experts, and even an orthodontist, Andre received high-tech treatments that are usually reserved for humans. Melissa Ranley is the coordinator of the Marine Life Center's Turtle Hospital. She says the team used VAC therapy, which uses patches to create small vacuums around wounds.
Because of his injury and the infectious fluid in the body cavity that needed to be removed, as well as the collapsed lung, we knew that we needed to try something different, and that was the perfect technology for this. So we had to find some ways to creatively get that to work so we could put an active turtle in the water and that bandage not leak.
But Andre's troubles were just beginning. The huge gashes on his shell had exposed internal organs. That's where orthodontist Alberto Vargas stepped in. Dr. Vargas placed custom-made braces on each side of the wound to push and pull on Andre's shell, just as they do on human jaws to stimulate growth.
Whenever you stretch certain parts of bone, the growth centers, kind of like the sutures in a baby's skull, when you stretch those, bone starts to grow and fill in. So just like a baby's skull starts to get larger and the head gets bigger because of the brain growing, same thing when we're applying pressures to the turtle. We're applying pressures to those sutural areas and we're causing bone growth.
As a result, Andre grew 2 centimeters of new shell in some areas. And after 13 months of treatment, Andre's moment finally arrived. His shell was hard enough to survive the depths of the Atlantic, and experts at the center were optimistic about his future.
Our hope is that he might even get out there and mate this season and create more little Andres for the next generation.
But Andre was in no rush, making his way home slow and steady. Sharon Reich, Reuters.